Dave Jr. here on a cold, windy February day at Rousseau's RV Center. We're going to be taking a look at this 2912 BS Rockwood rear bathroom. It's got a front bedroom slide and an outside kitchen. So let's take a little look around. I'm not going to spend too much time outside here, but I'm going to show you. This one has a dry weight of 7,736. Power jack. Now this weighs, well, I just said 7,736, but what I wanted to say is the length of this is about 35 feet. That total length, hitch to bumper. So let's just take a look at the kitchen. Now this kitchen here comes with the electric fridge. And the cooktop. Now, one thing Rockwood has done pretty much across the board, it looks like, is gotten rid of that outside sink, which some people feel strongly about one way or another, but Rockwood decided that this counter space would be more of use than another sink here. So we're going to go inside because it is cold. All right. Freestanding table and chairs. This is the hide-a-bed. New fireplace. A lot of people ask if it actually does work. I mean, yes, it does. It does blow hot air. It is good for supplemental heat. Large television, at least 42 inches. Might be a little bigger too. Soundbar. Let's take a look around here. Got a lot of storage space in here. Certainly this could be a pantry. Put a little shoe cubby there. Shelving, but that could be taken out if you want to hang your coats or whatever you want to hang there. This bedroom is fantastic. So you have a king-size bed. Slides out so it doesn't take up too much space in here. And tons of storage. Look at this cabinet. A front nook, which you could certainly use if you're going to read. You get the nice light there from the window. Lights overhead. But if you had a kid, you could certainly turn this into another bed. With Rockwoods now, you're getting the stainless steel sink. So you got it taped down there, but yeah, stainless steel. Solid surface countertops. There's a tabletop extension here. In the back, we have a large bathroom. I don't know if you noticed, that was a motion sensitive light. That's pretty cool. Now this actually has a washer dryer prep. Can hang clothes here, more shelving, can be a pantry if you'd like. Just tons of storage, tons of interior storage in here. Corner shower. That's the oven, the grill, the outside grill, and the new shower miser that all the Rockwood travel trailers are coming with now, to make the most of the water, your hot water. So this is a little thing, but a lot of people really like this. This is for your toothbrushes and a cup or a little shelving there. They just started adding those to the late model 2019s. Check it out from this angle. You can see this is the wood look floor. This is what the new wood look floor looks like. And this interior is Slatewood. Slatewood and the Pebble. So that's what the sofa would look like with the Pebble and the seats and the trim. You can see around the balances there. And new oven, the glass front. And the larger microwave. I'll take a look at the fridge. Nice big fridge. Yeah. Of course, with the Rockwood, you get that arch roof, arch ceiling. Gives you more headroom. I just want to show you the bedroom again. It's just so good. I just think it's great. Love the king bed. Of course, it lifts up. You got space. You can see the outside storage there. Look at that aluminum. Rockwood. They build everything with aluminum. All the structure. The bed, the sofas, the dinette. And more storage up top. So this was the Rockwood 2912 BS. You can find it at Rousseau's RV Center in Lakeville, Mass. Have a great day, everyone.